Welcome to KrispCall. In this video, we'll guide you through the easy procedures to purchase your KrispCall virtual number for Ireland. To get started, follow these steps. First, visit KrispCall.com and either log into your existing account or sign up for a new one if you don't already have one. Next, access My Number by clicking the plus icon or going to Settings. Then, click Purchase New Number. After that, choose Ireland from the drop-down menu and click Search Numbers. Now, customize your desired number type and proceed to Buy Number. Name your selected number and add it to your cart. Please note that you need to submit the documents for getting Irish local numbers, mobile numbers, and toll-free numbers. Finally, confirm your purchase by clicking Confirm Purchase. Once your Irish phone number is activated, you can call and send SMS messages according to purchased number types. Get 100 plus international virtual phone numbers from KrispCall and connect with your global audiences remotely from a single app. With KrispCall, you can get advanced features: unified call box, global calling, text messages, voicemail, multi-level IVR, call analytics. Contact our chat support for more information.